Hi, I'm Isaac Rodriguez. I'm a business consultant. I'm going to talk to you about how to make a good impression at your first business meeting. You want to make a good impression, what you want to do is research the company that you're going to see, as well as the people that you're going to visit. Do a search on those individuals. Find out a little bit about them so that when you go to the meeting, it's not just about the business that is at hand, but you might want to share something with the people that are there that you've done some homework. That indicates to the people that you're meeting with that they were important enough for you to do the research, to understand their company, and to know a little bit about them, and that you did your homework and you prepared. Another way to make a good impression is going to be wear good fitting clothing that is clean and pressed. Look your best. Shine the shoes. All the details are that you can make the best impression in your first business meeting. I'm Isaac Rodriguez, business consultant, and those are some of the ways that you can make a good impression at a business meeting.